Hey, I got a toolbox full of tools. I bet you do too. Do you ever think that clothes would fit in there? Because clothes can be tools too. And that's coming right up. Well, we're at the 2018 SEMA show, and we're here in the Dickies booth, and this is Andrea, and Andrea knows lots about work clothing, and you got something exciting to tell us about, huh?
Absolutely. We're here at SEMA to promote our new Temp-iQ and FLEX t-shirts and pants.
Yeah, I was impressed with it. Stand by, you really got to listen to this. Okay, so let's start with Flex. I like that. That's
Yeah,
cool.
absolutely. So FLEX obviously gives you a little bit more movement by adding mechanical stretch to the fabric of the pant. So as you bend and move, it bends and moves as well.
That's great, because you know when you put jeans and stuff on, it doesn't work that well. So this is going to help a lot, I know.
Yeah,
Okay.
tools are designed to make your life easier, and we designed our uniforms to make your life easier as well. Both the t-shirt and the pant that you see here have our advanced temperature control technology called Temp-iQ. So they will regulate your body temperature depending on if you're warm, or too cool.
That's just too awesome, right? It's like having a climate control system in your clothes. But
Exactly.
But it does work that way, doesn't it?
Exactly, yes. And the pant is flex and also has some really amazing features to make your job easier, like a silicone covered metal tack button, great utility pockets on both sides for holding tools and cell phones and everything else that you might need. They also have stain release, they're moisture wicking, and they're wrinkle resistant.
Yeah, and wrinkle resist is really important for us, right, guys? But really, it is. One of the things, though, that I'm sure you guys want to know, I do, when we get grease and oil and stuff like that on there, how easy is it to get it out?
So we designed this pant for work, obviously. So we have a stain release built into the fabric. So it's 65-35 poly cotton, it's easy wash and wear, and it will come clean every time.
Okay, and then the other thing, I'm really tough on clothes and I have to crawl up underneath something. That's too bad when we're in the shop, under a lift. But sometimes you're out on a road call and you got to crawl underneath, you're on gravel and stuff.
Yes.
So how tough is it?
It's a really durable fabric. This is a twill, obviously designed for work, has flex built into it, and you'll be able to wear it for years.
Awesome. All right, so what we've got going for us is Temp-iQ.
Absolutely.
Right? And Flex.
Yes.
Yep. Okay, so I kind of got that, but now let's ask her the really important question. How do we find more information about this, and how do we buy this stuff? Where do we get it?
Absolutely. So I think that the easiest way to find and purchase would be our brand new website. You can go to dickies.com/business. You can set up an account for your business, and you can order through that account and earn discounts along the way.
So I guess you can probably buy this stuff locally too, right?
Yes, depending on where you're located, we have outlets across the country. We do have a few retail stores here and there, so there's a variety of places that you can find Dickies garments.
Oh, that is just awesome. So, okay, so like I said, we got the Temp-iQ, we got the Flex, we got all kinds of stuff with you. I'm going to check this out, and I think you should too, and you're going to be so glad you did.